You tell mommy what's the color of your eyes? Huh? Color blue? Green? Brown? Is it color blue? What kind of eyes is that? Color blue like Papi? Or color brown? What color is your eyes? What do you like? What is that? There's no color yet? Color gray still? Still color gray? But sometimes it's color brown. Sometimes it's gray. But what is the real color of your eyes? What's that? Are you hiccup now? Finish drinking milk? Are you full? Oh, where do you want to go? Do you want to go outside? Do you want? Yes. Do you want to walk downtown? Do you want to go to Tim Hortons? Do you want to eat donuts? Do you want to drink coffee? Where do you want to go? You want to go to McDonald's? You want to play? You want to slide? You want to go out? Where? Where? Outside it's very hot. Alright, don't cry. Don't cry, little boy. Oh yes. It's hot. You want to see Papi? Now you feel sleepy. You want to go to sleep? What do you want to do now? Are you tired of talking?